Okay, how markets looking? Who will have the final call? Who will have the final laugh today?
So I think it's going to be bulls, all through the way, Nikunj, because over the last 1 week we've been discussing that the indices were due for a breakout. It was just because of the May expiry, the previous expiry, that the markets were having a lot of resistance because of the way option writers they managed to write the positions. But I think start of the June series, I think we started off the Friday's trading also on a very strong wicket for the indices, and yesterday's gap up move was just an indication that how strong the momentum is for the index. The most interesting part which I liked about the market yesterday is that at closing basis, even though the FI numbers were very strong and positive, there was hardly any change in the open interest data. So only 0.5% positive for Nifty, and I think 0.8% negative for Bank Nifty. So that itself tells you that people are not too much enthused about buying this kind of momentum, but they are waiting to buy or add on dips for the indices. And I think that's the pattern which you've seen last expiry specifically. The rollovers were extremely good, and that is playing an effect on the markets currently. So we have surpassed two resistances, 18,400 on the Nifty very clearly, and on the Bank Nifty, we've now broken past about the 44,000 mark.
Okay, let's get in a view then from you, Nooresh. Don't know if you caught the cricket match, but you're certainly catching those market levels as we're perched close to all-time highs on the Nifty Bank. And what are you looking at on the frontline index?
Well, I know for sure he was supporting Chennai. That's what he bet on during the closing show yesterday. But yeah, Nooresh, go ahead.
So finally, a good send off for CSK yet again. So the joke continues that everyone plays to play CSK in the final. So for now, in the markets also, we are seeing a momentum to continue. The view remains the same. 18,800, 900 is the next pause. And the best way to ride this trend has been to continue to hold on to the long positions and continue to expect some bit of pauses around the resistance levels. So 18,800, 900, that is the point of time where you take a little bit of a cautious call. Till that point of time, you continue to ride onto the move. We are seeing new leadership coming in. So we are seeing some names in the heavyweights also trying to make a move. So we've seen IT do a bounce back. We are trying to see some bit of a recovery in Reliance Industries. We're trying to see even a Kotak Mahindra Bank make a move. So the only one left is the HDFC Twins. If that happens, we go much more easily towards the all-time high. And if we look at the broader indices, they've continued to do as well. So mid-cap 100 has hit a new high. Some more indices have hit a new 52-week high and an all-time high. So overall, the trend is positive. The Bank Nifty is at an all-time high without the largest weight being at an all-time high. So we still have a lot of catch-up to be done by HDFC Bank. But apart from that, the trend remains positive. So maintain a hold on the indices. And once we reach 18,800, 900, we should see more action shift towards the mid caps and the small caps. And over the next two sessions, we'll see the earnings season to get over also, and then we'll start seeing more action on the broader markets.